Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin. Though Bitcoin's not doing too much. So here's the deal, guys. You hear this a lot over and over, quite often in the media. It's like, how do they put that? When others are fearful, you want to buy, and when others greedy, you want to sell. But one thing that I've noticed is 80 to 90% of the market never puts that into action. It's just the opposite. So when most people are fearful, they sell. And when most people are greedy, they buy. It happens almost every time. So why do I think Bitcoin is not going to be going down to $10,000? Is because the people that are arguing for a $10,000 Bitcoin are the same ones that probably are not positioned and getting ready, or not even anywhere near ready, and they're still in short positions. And it's the same thing as it was at the top when Bitcoin was at 45, 55,000 or $60,000, and they said, oh, it's going to go up to 100K. Plan B was in on that, and all the high profile Twitters were all in on that. It's going to go up to 100K. And look what happened. It turned around and went back all the way back down to 17,500. Now, where is it at? It's looking like Bitcoin went down to 17,500, did a little bit of a rebound off there. But people are saying it's just not quite done yet. So I'm here to prove you that it probably is done. And when other people are fearful, and I'm going to prove to you today in the charts that people are very, very fearful. I'll prove it to you in the charts. It's going to be very simple. Now, what I have here in the DXY, people want to know when this correction is going to be over. The answer is probably right here in the DXY, guys. Okay. You see that last little wave that it's doing? It looks like it decided to make its fourth wave right there, and it probably has another push up. Fourth wave could take a little bit of time. They like to wander in those areas for a long time. They can take a long time. It's just a complex correction usually. And it'll push up 110.4, 110.5. It might spike to 111, 112, 114. Don't think so, but you just never know with something like this. And then at the same time, it can, if you see the, let you guys know, we get a third wave extension. Here's how a third wave extension pops up. So here's the RSI. And if the RSI goes above that peak, then you take your third wave will move and it'll extend. So that's a possibility this could extend. All right. So you want to keep your eye on that. All right, guys. So I don't think it is, but I think once this peaks, the corrections for the assets will be over. Okay. The correction for whatever, Phantom and Bitcoin. So you want to buy when others are fearful, right? And when others are greedy. So here's Phantom. Very, very good coin, in my opinion. I like Phantom. Probably a little bit partial to it because I was able to make quite a bit of money with Phantom. As a matter of fact, I bought Phantom right here and wrote this up. I told people dump it. And not only did I tell them to dump it, I said dump all of it. That's what I told them, all of it. So up here, they were greedy, right? If you would have bought up here when people were comfortable buying up there, because it's comfortable, you see these big green candles, very comfortable buy up here. But it's very, very scary to buy down here, isn't it? Think about it, guys. Very scary. You have to remove all emotion to be able to make a sound judgment call, whether you want to buy right here with Phantom. Okay? Me, I'm be looking to purchase some Phantom. I already got some in here. I'm be looking to purchase some more in here. Now I'm going to go over Bitcoin. I'll show you guys something right here. Prove to you why people are scared bad. Before I go over that, let me go here to the 12-hour chart. Remember, the 12-hour chart, I was showing you something about this massive dump in the RSI. I said, hey, that's a bullish signal, and it is a bullish signal. And you have more evidence that it was a bullish signal right here. This is the only chart, the Binance 1-week chart, that I was able to really get some good evidence of this on. I wasn't able to find other ones because I think they have less volume, and this one has a little bit more volume on the Binance. You see this red candle right here? Look at that red candle. That was that dump right there. Okay? That is, in my opinion, more evidence of a bullish signal. You know, people are up there, and the selling was so strong. Boom. Here's the deal, though, guys. What did they expect? They expect this to go all the way, start going all the way down here. But it's not. It's not, is it? It's staying way up there. See over here? Look at that dump right there. Another example of the big dump on that big red candle. Here's another example of that dump on that candle. Okay. Now, is that 100%? No, it's not. But you also have more evidence over here. You keep checking it back testing all this information that, in my opinion, you have a good shot. You have a really good shot of the bottom being in right there. Okay. And this is coming down. And Bitcoin is making the typical behavior of a wave two, in my opinion. That's what wave twos do. People are so scared, just like over here, up on this wave and back down, all the way back down to near the area where that wave one started. Just really scared, just like over here, up, scared, right here, up, scared. Just right there, just same thing like that. Examples, up, scared, up, scared, up, scared. Just the same thing. I wanted to throw that out there, guys. I think this is a really good signal right here. Here, you put that on top of there. It's actually that candle. If you check that candle out, I think that candle is actually higher than that candle. And it's higher than the COVID candle, if you will. Back in the March 2020 crash, it's higher than that candle. Now, here's the other thing, too. You take a look at the pattern. You see, it bounced out of there. And what do most people do? They're going to do this. Oh, I have that onto the screen. It's going to go like that. They're going to say, oh, look at that divergence on the volume, but it continued to go up. You can use a volume divergence. It doesn't work all the time, guys. So here's the volume goes down, right? You see the volume, and then price is going up. Okay, you can see now, where did the volume start picking up? Where did volume start picking up, guys, in this wave? Where people started getting what? Comfortable. They were more fearful. Same thing's going to happen over here. You can have low volume just like so. It's going to go down into volume, and it's going to go for a while, and then it'll finally eventually start picking up. Okay, so you're going to be in this phase with Bitcoin for probably, look at what was this, March of 2020, and they didn't really start until July. They really didn't get comfortable until July, did they? This scared them, and they weren't ready for it until really right here, guys. And actually right here is when those people, so same thing, more than likely is going to happen over here. They're scared of this up again, and really scared, really scared, because what, all the experts on the media are telling them it's going all the way down here, right? Think about it, guys. It makes perfect sense to me that that's going to happen. And just pay attention to this volume indicator. One guy wanted me to go over volume and take a look at this. This is volume on a higher time frame where you can use it. Just make sure you get to a chart that has a lot of more accurate data, the best that you can. I think Binance is one of the better ones, so you can check that out. Okay, so this is like I said, to me, this is a good indication of bullishness, not only with the RSI dump, but also the volume spike, which all makes sense to me. All right, guys, just want to throw that out there. I'm looking to get myself positioned. That's what I'm doing while others are fearful and not greedy. Made it all the way to the end. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.